Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to pass data to Stateful. Now this is our list. I will delete the code or the text inside it. Now I will comment for every step what we are doing, and the source code will be available soon in the description. Now getting data from outside for the course manager, so we need to pass the data whenever the app is launched. The code is split into main and cards manager and cards. Now we will pass the data from our main to the manager that display the code in a perfect way and manage the cards in a correct way and a high performed code. So again, I just remember you that we are cleaning our code and making the code runs faster and an efficient way. Now we are passing the constructor for this card manager, and here we need to put some data. Now we are creating. I will type creating the constructor for the cards manager class and stateful widget that will allow the us to pass data in a correct way and receive the arguments in a good and correct way. So in this I will put cards manager, this is our constructor, and I will pass the arguments here. So if you need to know about arguments, you can download Master Flutter and Master Android apps from Play Store and see how arguments are working. Now put here the string you need to pass. So we are creating this constructor in order to pass the data that we need and the string that we need to display in the cards. Now I will create a string called basic cards or basic card. Now I will remove this text and I will pass the string. In order to pass the string, I will call this and the basic card. This is one of the characteristics in Flutter you should take into consideration, that we need to pass data. We say this and dot the string or the data that we need or the variable we need. Now I will cast it to final. Now going back to our cards manager, state, and this is our code. This is our code, and we are returning the cards manager state. I am passing the string from the constructor to the cards manager state, and this is too many positional arguments this is saying to us. So in order to solve this, we are going to make some modifications. Now we are creating initial state in a state method. As we see before, if you need to learn more about in state, you need to see the Flutter course for in our channel and see and watch the previous videos. Now I take the list and I will add widget.basic card on it. And here we go. This is this implementation or implement initial state will adding data to the list. So what we are doing, we have created a list, and this list it will be passing data from the main to this class, this is manager, through the constructor. So here is our main. This is our main. I will pass the data from here. Guys, don't miss to like, subscribe, and comment below your opinion, your any tutorial ideas that you need us to make. So just keep subscribing and keep watching. So what I have made, I created now I'm passing from the main activity a text called master Flutter App, and I will see how I've passed this text to the stateful widget by creating the constructor and passing the constructor arguments to the list and displaying the cards. So I hope you don't miss to subscribe and like, and please guys keep us making new tutorials. We are daily uploading Flutter and Android and Windows tricks and tips. So don't miss to like and subscribe below to get latest tutorials. So we have passed the text correctly into our constructor, this cards manager, then passing it to the initial state or state, and after that we have created the initial state method and we have added the text correctly. Thank you guys. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment below. See you in next videos.